If you want to delete your Tidal account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Tidal website or open the Tidal app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Find the subscription section. In the account settings, look for the subscription or membership section. This is where you can manage your account details and subscription status. Step 4. Select account deletion. Within the subscription section, look for an option to delete or cancel your account. Follow the prompts that guide you through the deletion process. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After selecting the deletion option, you will likely be asked to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any warnings or information provided before confirming the deletion of your account. Once you have completed these steps, your Tidal account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action is reversible, and you will lose access to all your playlists and saved music.